Okay, anytime I'm recording it, you can see it at the top there. I'll be
Yes.
absent.
Yeah, I wasn't seeing it. That's why.
Okay. So now you understand it.
Yes.
So should I write it or it's okay?
You let me read what I have here.
Okay.
So I wrote the angle between a chord and a tangent is equal to the angle the chord subtends in the alternative segment on the circumference of the circle.
Okay. That is correct. That is correct. Okay, that is correct.
What if it's within the circle?
No, no, no. It doesn't, it's not applicable yet. So we can apply that theory. It's not applicable.
Okay.
Good. Okay. Let me just add one. That one doesn't talk about angle, but it's very, very important. Sometimes you will need it. It's also about tangents, but it doesn't talk about angles. But sometimes we apply it a lot. So if I have a circle, then I have a point here. Then I draw a line such that it touches the circle. So there's a tangent. I draw another line to touch the circle at this point. So let me call here A, call here B, and then P. The line AP is equal to the line BP. And that theory says that two tangents drawn from an external point to a circle are equal. So the moment the two tangents are coming from the same point, their length will be equal. And of course, if this is the center, if I should draw a line to this place, this will be 90. If I draw a line to this place, this will also be 90 because a tangent and radius make an angle of 90 degrees. Good. So keep that one too. So let me write two tangents drawn from the same external point. External point to a circle are equal. On the this now I place a Khan academic link B. Did you see it?
Yes, please.
It's also on circle theories. You can also watch that one. It's a very nice tutorial. Have you watched it?
No.
Okay. It's Khan
But I've
Academy.
seen it.
Okay. Good. So that is all for circuit theories. All that is left is to master the concept we've learned. So I'm now going to pick the questions randomly. Any question at all, I'll just pick, then we'll discuss, then we'll solve it together. Good. So are you ready?
Yes, please.
Okay, so we are starting. Because we just did tangent, let me look for a question that will involve tangent. Oh, I shouldn't have said that. At least you should see it yourself, that there is a tangent. And then apply it. Once that I said there's a tangent, you'll see the trick. So this is the first question. Good. We are looking for the variables. Which one can you identify so easily? We are looking for ABC.
ABC. A.
A. What's the value of A?
Since the like the whole A plus. Yes. A is 40.
A is 40. Okay.
Yes.
So the whole place is 90.
Yes.
So A is 90 minus 50. So that'll give us 40 degrees. Any other?
And we can extend like, yes, we can extend.
Okay, let me put variables there so that at least you can be saying that sometime
Yes.
when you're, so let me put S and then M here. Okay.
So the there's a diameter. So ST, the line ST, we can extend it to touch the other side of the like the segment.
Like this.
Yes.
Uh-huh.
And then we put a variable there.
Uh-huh.
Yes. And that place is also 90.
Okay.
I'm right.
Yeah, it's 90.
Yes. Oh,
It's
yes.
90. But how would that help us?
Then you do it. 90 plus to find B. We are finding B right now. So
Yeah.
90 plus B equals 180.
And B is what?
90.
I'm trying to see that B is 90 direct by the same principle. Angle subtended by a diameter. Your method is not wrong, but you should also see that B is subtended by a diameter.
Yes.
Your method is
Yes.
not wrong.
Yes.
Uh-huh.
With the theory,
Mhm.
the
The one you
second,
applied here.
yes, the third theory.
Yes. The one you applied here. I told you not me saying that third theorem. Even if you tell me third theorem, I don't know what is third theorem. I don't know the one I
The
thought
one,
you take.
the one we said the angle subtended by a diameter is equal to 90.
Uh-huh. So
Yes.
it's the same principle that here is 90 because it's also subtended by a diameter. And this one too is suspended by a diameter.
Yes.
So there is no need to go and do extension. Even though it is not wrong, the examiner will mark you correct. He will follow you and mark you correct because you have not erred in any other principle. When you extend here and say here is 90, it is true. When I say this plus this is 90, it's true. When you solve, you indeed will come and get your 90. You look
Okay.
at it. But if it's 1 mark, all that process that you pass through, he will give 1 mark. And the person who just write B is equal to 90 will also have the 1 mark.
Mm,
Mm.
yes. So
Good. So it's left with C.
so triangle S and T.
Mhm.
Yes.
Then you find your listener. Okay, but
Yes. So
we can also use the tangent theory. So C is 50. The angle between a chord. So the chord here is TM. The angle between the chord and the tangent. So the chord here is TM. And what angle is between the chord and the tangent? It's 50 degrees.
yes.
And that chord subtends C in the alternative segment on the circumference, which is at the alternative
No.
segment.
Where is the
Okay,
other
let me trace it
set?
for you. So this is the chord.
Yes.
This is the tangent. So angle between a chord and a tangent, we are talking about this angle.
Okay.
The chord is TM. So they subtend the C. The chord subtend the C, is that not it?
Yes.
So straight away C is what? 50. So if you look at this chord, the two segments are, when you talk about segment, a segment is just a portion of a circle which has been divided by a chord. So if I have a chord like this, no matter how small the chord is, it divides the circle into two segments. So this is the minor segment. We call this one minor segment, otherwise called the smaller segment. Then the upper portion is the major segment. This is the major segment. So far as this circle, the chord TM is concerned, the minor segment is here. So the angle between the chord and the tangent is in its minor segment. So any angle that this chord will subtend in the major segment, if it is on the circumference, then they are the same.
Okay, I get it, sir.
Okay. And of course, you can also use the idea of the triangle. You also get it. Because we know this is 40, this is 90. If you add it to 90 plus 40 is 130. So obviously the top will also be 50. Even if you don't want to apply this theory. Good. Let's look at another diagram. Let me enlarge it small. We are looking for the variables x, y, x and y, only x and y. So let me add other points. Let me call here Q. Let me call here R. And remember AB, that line AB is a tangent.
Okay, so here the so the angle here where the T is.
Use the variables. Use the variable, the letters to name them. So is it angle A, T, L, or what?
No. Angle R, T, B.
Yeah, that's 54. So you can mention the name direct. So that angle is 54.
Is it the whole angle?
Yes, the whole angle is 54.
How?
Can't you see the arc? The arc starts from this line up to this line.
Oh, okay. That whole place.
Yeah, that whole place is 54.
Oh, okay. This is. Then X is equal to 54.
Correct. X is equal to 54. No two ways. An angle between a chord and a tangent is equal to the one the tangent subtends in the alternative segment. So if you talk about the minor segment of TR, this is a minor segment. And the angle it forms between the tangent is 54. So any angle TR will form on the circumference will be 54. And the angle it forms is what? X. And that X is not in the minor segment, the green part. So that is the alternative segment. It's 54, so it's correct. What about Y?
Why? Y is 76.
What reason?
Yes, the angle between a chord and a tangent is equal to the angle the chord subtends in the alternative segment of on the circumference of the circle.
Excellent. Excellent. So that is also correct. Y is what?
76.
76. If it's WASSCE, you don't even write the explanation. That is all. You'll be given the mark. You'll be given the mark. So you see how circuit theory is very cheap. Let's look at another one. Here we're looking for Y.
So let's find the angle at K.
Okay. How will you find it? Yes. So let me put a variable there for you. Let me call it X.
So X is 48.
Very good. But this one, at least you must show some working a little. X is equal to half.
Yes. Of
Half of
96.
and then because you're not picking it from the diagram direct, when you do that, you let the examiner be able to follow you because 96 is coming from the diagram. So now he can follow you clearly. So 48 degrees. Okay, the question didn't ask us to find X. You have found X. How can the X help us?
Find Y.
Pardon?
Yes, so X is equal to Y. So X is
Correct. 100%. Wow. Okay, let me see whether I can get some heavy dose questions. I'm even saying heavy dose questions. The questions I consider them heavy dose. Some of them you solve them so easily. So it means after today, that'll be the end of circuit theory. It's up to you to do the practice and let me know questions that you can solve. Okay, so AOB and COX are two diameters of a circle of center O. At X and C, 2 points on the circle, tangent XT and CP are drawn. The angle AOX is 70 degrees. Find the angle BXT and the angle ACP. So we are looking for BXT and the angle ACP. Let me mark the BXT for you. Oh, I hope you can, you know it. There's the angle BXT and the angle ACP. This one.
Okay. So we can find angle BOX.
Okay, let's find BOX. So let me put a variable there. What variable should I use? Let me call it A. How do you find it?
Angles on a straight line.
So A plus 70, yeah?
Yes.
So what will be A?
A will be 110. 110.
Okay. 110.
Yes.
Okay. So how would that help us?
So is the same. So angle BXT is equal to A.
Angle BXT is equal to A.
Yes.
Where is the location of A?
Where what we just solved.
The A, I mean, where is it located? Which part of the circle is it located?
At this, oh no. Yes, at the center, no. So we can't use that one. So
Okay.
Let me see.
Are you around?
Yes, but I'm not getting it.
Think. I said it. That is what you were doing on campus. A good problem solver that never gives up. If you're a problem solver, you want to be a good problem solver, you don't give up. Don't give up so easily.
Okay,
Yes.
I've seen it.
Okay, Z, I've seen it. So tell us.
So it's diameters, right?
There are two diameters. We have XOC is a diameter and BOA is also a diameter. That's what the question says. This one. This one is a diameter. Of course, it
So
passes through the
angle BXT is equal to 90.
BXT is
T.
equal to 90. Why?
Yes, because
Why?
the angle,
Mm-hmm.
a diameter or a chord that passes through the center is
What is the what is the diameter?
the diameter is COX.
And your angle you mentioned is what?
Is BXT. So yes, the angle there is 90.
What relationship does the BXT has with the diameter?
I'm coming.
Did you copy that? Oh, I should go back so I read that to you.
Yes. Let me go back because I didn't copy that part, but I understand that part.
Okay, so you can read for us.
The angle between a let me write it back. The angle between a tangent and a radius or diameter at a point of contact is equal to 90 degrees.
Okay, and then you have seen the diagram.
And in the diagram,
I hope you have seen the diagram to that definition.
yes.
So can we go now?
Yes.
Okay, we are there.
Yes. So with that reason, yes, angle BXT is equal to 90.
Okay, so where is your diameter or radius?
So this one, the diameter X is COX.
And the theory says the angle. Read out the first sentence.
The angle between a tangent
Again,
and a
I want
radius or diameter.
the first two words.
The angle between a tangent.
Again, first two words.
The angle between a
Again.
tangent.
I say first two words.
The angle
Okay, the first three words.
between. The angle
Again.
between. Yes.
So that's where the emphasis is.
Okay.
So where is your diameter?
The diameter is the COX. Yes, it passes through the center.
Okay. Or you can just say CX. Do you agree?
Yeah.
Okay.
My definition. Okay.
So what is the angle between COX? What is the angle between the tangent and then the diameter? I say it is BXT.
BXTS.
That's the
So
angle between. That's the
yes.
angle between. Hey, are you sure? Or you're tired?
Oh no, I'm sure because it's the whole this place. Yeah, it's the whole angle. So
So
it's
if you want
nine.
to use, if you want to use the arc, we see when you are marking angles, we use arc.
And so yeah, that whole arc is 90.
So the arc will end on which line?
It will end on TX.
And is the arc the angle BXT? Is the arc ending on CX?
Yes.
If we say angle BXT, angle BXT. I see my sister is tired. BXT.
Yes.
BXT. This is the angle.
Yes.
But I want to talk about diameter. This is the diameter.
Yes.
So
And it makes
are you saying
yes.
this small part is not part of the angle between the diameter and the chord? I had the count. So when you are referring to the diameter and the chord, we are referring to the whole place like this. And you are just going to pick one portion. This is the I said diameter and the chord, the tangent and the chord. So this is the tangent. This is the diameter. What is the angle between them? The angle is here. And from this line up to this line. That's the angle between them, the space between them. BST is just a portion of that angle. BX then T is a portion of that angle. So if you say CXT is 90 degrees, I have no problem. That one is true. Are you okay?
Yeah.
Okay. There are so many ways you can solve this. I'll show you 2 ways. One way, so now you know A.
Yes.
Okay. So let me just clean this. I'm cleaning this. I want to do some markings there so that we'll have space. That's why I'm cleaning. I'm not saying it's wrong. I hope you understand what I mean. What is the name given to line BO?
It's a radius.
What about line XO?
That one too is a radius.
Okay, so based on that, what is the name given to triangle BXO?
It's an isosceles triangle.
Good. So we can use the property of the isosceles triangle here.
So you just put two variables there. Then after solving for it, if you know that part, you can add it. You can put a variable here and make it that angle plus the variable equals 90.
Good. So this is what we're after. So here first we say here is A. So we can put X here and X here. So you know that we have solved the A already. And we also know that A plus 2X is equal to 180, as we have said.
Yes.
So 2X will be equal to 180 minus 110. That's the A.
Yes.
So X is equal to 35. So BXT, the one we are looking for, plus the X is also equal to 90. So our BXT equal to what? 90 minus X. 90 minus X, or otherwise 90 minus 35. And what is the value?
55.
Okay. That is one method. Another method is to draw a line like this to join here. And then we mark this angle. Let me call it Y. Y is subtended by what?
Y is subtended by the chord BC.
How can you? It's wrong.
No, BX.
Good. Does BX subtends another angle?
Hello.
Yeah, I'm asking whether does the BX subtends another angle again. So now we know Y is subtended by BX. Can you hear me? Jesse. Jesse,
Hello.
can you hear me?
Hello. Yes, please.
I said now we know that Y is subtended by BX. Okay.
Yes.
I'm asking
Yes.
you whether does the line BX or the chord BX subtends another angle.
BX. Yes.
Which one?
The substance at the center.
So that will tell us the Y is what?
The Y
And what the,
is
uh-huh.
is the Y is the A divided by 2.
Okay, and the A is 110, isn't it?
Yes.
So that'll be 55.
Yes, that
Yeah.
would be 55.
So Y is equal to 55. Good. The angle between a chord
Wait, please
and a
wait.
tangent.
Is it here? The the first angle we found is also 55. So can we use
No, I am
yes.
giving an alternative method of finding the BXT. So what I am doing now, like here we are done. But assuming you don't want to use this method from the 110, you can ignore all this box. Okay.
Yes.
That means you will not use the X variable to find your BXT, but
Hmm.
rather you put Y here. You understand?
Yes.
Then find half of the 110 to get your Y. Then straight away, you use the angle between the chord and the tangent. And that angle between the chord and the tangent BX is what? Angle BXT. That will be automatically equal to the Y. So that's another short method of calculating for the BXT.
Okay.
Mhm. So this is an alternative method. It's not a continuation of the solution. You
Okay.
either use the green one or you go by the white one to arrive at the 55.
I understand. And I got it now.
Okay, we are not done. Oh. There are two
Yes.
questions. ACP.
ACP. So So we can put a variable
Where?
at where the C is, the other side.
Use the letters. Is it B, C, A, or what? OCA.
ACP. You
ACP.
see ACP where the C is.
So
The
ACP.
angle.
Okay, ACP here. And
No,
that,
the other side. Like inside the yes,
so
there.
that's ACO. Learn how to name the angle. So it's very, very important. So that's angle ACO. Is that okay?
Yes,
Uh-huh.
yes. Angle ACO. So that place we can it's equal to X.
Good.
Yes. So X is that place M2 is equal to 35.
Good.
Yes. And since the CX is a diameter,
Mm-hmm.
yes, and that whole place, which is M plus the plus angle A C ACP is equal to 90.
So yeah, XCP is 90. Yeah. So now you can calculate for your
Yes.
ACP.
So ACP is also 55.
Yeah, it will also be 55. Good. With it, one may actually hope.
Mm.
Okay, let me look for another one. I thought that one could be cheaper. So we are looking for CDE. Only one angle is provided. And the O is the center of the circle.
So this one angle E is equal to 48.
Okay, that one is straightforward. Good. What again? So let's do D and then C.
Yes. And okay, I'm coming.
Okay, I have time for you.
So we are taking the bigger triangle,
The bigger triangle. Name
which
them.
is triangle XWZ.
X, W, Z.
Yes.
So you mean this triangle?
Oh no, yes.
Mm-hmm.
Oh no, I don't think so. No, wait.
Okay.
No. The angle at the whole angle at that angle WZY is equal to 90.
Why has it taken you a long time to see this? So this is 90 degrees, right angle. It shouldn't take you that long because you can see the diameter. Okay, what again?
Yeah, diameter. So right now we can use the we can use the big triangle to find for C.
Which of the triangle? There are a lot of triangle there.
The big one, the XWZ.
XWZ. Okay.
Yes. To
How would
find
that help?
the C.
So you are referring to this triangle, XWZ, this one. Is that what you are referring to? The one I've just traced. Can you see mine tracing, mine green tracing?
Yes.
Is that the triangle you are referring to?
Yes.
Okay, so how do you use that triangle?
So 90
90.
plus
Where from the 90? Where are you picking the 90 from?
the pink angle.
And that 90 is from which line to which line? Which two lines
The
meet to
whole of
form
that.
which two lines meet to form that 90 degrees? Which two lines meet like this to form the 90 degrees over there?
W and Y.
W and Y. No, W and Y. This is a line. I mean the two lines that meet to form the 90 degrees. What are the two lines? Is it line XY?
Yeah,
And
XY. Line XY.
this is line XY.
No, not XY. It's line WY.
WY. Does the WY meet at
Yes.
the 90 degrees there? I'm not saying the word substance. I'm not using the word.
WY.
Listen, I'm not using the word substance. Take note of the two key words. When I say substance and you say WY is correct. But I'm not using the word substance. I say which two lines meet to form the angle. They say an angle is formed when two lines meet. So which two lines has met to form the 90 degrees? That's the question.
WX.
WX.
Yes. No.
Do you understand my question?
Yes, but it's like no, it's like it's going up to meet. So
Which lines has met to form the angle at the pink place? Do you understand the question?
line WY.
WY.
Yes.
Look WY. I said you must distinguish between substance. Don't be confused. Substance. There's a difference between substance. If we say the pink angle is subtended by WY, correct. And that was the beginning of the exercise we did. But the question now I am asking you is the fundamental class 1 question. There are two lines meet to form. When two lines meet, this line is going another line is going Fine, they meet, an angle is formed. So what are the two lines that have met to form the pink angle? That is all. So this
X,
one is not
Y.
about XY, XY. And what? XY. Look at where XY is going. Is it going to where the pink angle is? This is XY. Is it passing through the pink angle, please? I hope you understand the question. I say which two lines met to form the 90 degrees? All the angles on the screen were formed by two angles meeting. This angle is going then this line also going they meet, fine. An angle has been formed. So I want you to identify the angle, the lines that met to form the angle. Yes. Hello.
Hello.
They form the
I said
angle, then
WY.
WY. This is WY. Is it going to the Z? Is it going to meet anything to form an angle at where the pink is? If you say the angle at the top is subtended by WY, that one is true. You have forgotten the subtension that we did. Let's go back right to the beginning. Subtend. This is subtend. Subtend means it is coming from AB. There's it. It is subtended by theta is subtended by AB. It's true. Subtend. But it is not AB that those are not the two lines. The AB is not the two lines that form the angle. Okay. Theta is subtended by AB. That one, it is true. But I want to talk about the lines. That one, when I talk about the lines, I'm talking about that class one concept. When two lines meet, an angle is formed. In the line we are now an angle has been formed. So if I'm asking of the lines that met to form the angle, then probably if there's a letter at the top here, if there's a letter at the top here, I will say AC and BC. Line AC and BC met to form the angle. But because subtension there,
Oh,
the
okay, okay.
theta is coming
I get
is
it.
subtended by what? AB.
Mm. Okay.
I will see the difference.
Yes.
Theta is subtended by AB. But because see, what are the two lines that met to form the angle? The fundamental class one. I can see draw a line like this, draw a line like this. When they meet, an angle is formed. No have draw, no have bone stem. Pa 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 pa. That's the class one. You got it.
Yes.
So let's go back. So let me ask you that question again. Which lines met to form the angle 90 degrees?
So it's line WZ and line YZ.
Good. So let's trace WZ and YZ. So this is WZ. Let me use the pink. That one will come out clear. WZ. And then this is YZ. So the 90 degrees, is it in the triangle you are talking about?
Yes.
What is your triangle? Let's trace your triangle.
W
Mm-hmm.
ZY.
ZY.
Yes.
So is the 90 degrees in that triangle?
No. WZY. Not X.
WZY. Okay. So first we said WZY. That's why I was asking you all these questions. So if you say this one there is correct. But initially, you were using, you made me trace this triangle. Remember? Or you were not watching the screen.
Yes, yes.
So if we use this one, they don't have problem. It's correct. That's why I was asking you all these questions. Okay, so now let's go. Let me clean all these things so that So if you are using that triangle, so from triangle WZY, what can you do?
So we can find for C.
Okay. So how do you find for C?
So it will be 90 plus 48
Mhm.
plus C equals 180.
Good. So quickly use your calculator and tell me C.
I'm coming. Minus 40. 132.
The C, are you sure?
Yes. 1 3. Wait. I'm coming. 90 plus 88 plus 1 plus 8. It's 42.
I can see you're tired. I have to, after this question, I have to close you so that I wanted to push a lot on you so that next time we will start a new concept. But this
You
topic is
can
very
add,
important.
like after this, you can add maybe the questions to the
Slide.
yes, so that I can solve it, because the last time the ones you sent, I solved everything.
Okay. No, but it's different from when you are in the comfort of your home, relaxing in your bed, solving. You see here, I'm giving you pressure, and that's the same pressure you will get in the examination hall. You should
Mm.
be able to solve it on your feet. The beginner also, now bisa question now. Now, different from when you are on your bed relaxing. Now solve. Maybe now you are in the dining room when you take one bite of uh, your meat, then you come and think about it. The mind is so relaxed, I don't remember. But in the exams, you'll be stressed. Imagine that they have said, oh, 20 minutes more. Now you know that you have about 2 or 3 questions left. And this is the question you are doing. The thinking will not come. So it's all part of the practice. But I'll definitely put some there. But next week when we meet, we'll still not next week. I forgot. I don't know whether it's Thursday or
Yeah,
Friday.
yeah, Thursday.
Thursday. When we meet, we'll do more. I'll do more with you. If the ones that I'm picking you are able to do, then straight away I will go to the new topics. I think you said statistics and what?
Menstruation.
Menstruation. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So we are finished with C. What again? Let's do E. E has been done. So let's do D and then we close.
D is 42.
Correct. That's all. D is also 42. So that's the end of today's session.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Okay. So by tomorrow morning or evening, I'll upload it for you. Okay.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Thank you too.
Have a nice day.
Same to you.